Working class people are three types. Three types of the working class people: unretired people, retired people, and success people. You are surprising the retired people in the working. No, they are very busy. They are working people. So this video, as we are seeing in this whiteboard, this is keynote video under the category of success. This is 003. I already created the video 001 and 002. So 003 understanding is very important. You go through 001 and 002 also. Why I categorize this 10 category? Because I have the experience of all these 10. Because I work in corporate very long, then I do my business, and I am a family man. I work in the health very long for the 10 years. I am a very healthy person. I am 56, no problem. How I maintain the health, so I have this knowledge. But I'm creating all these categories and this one. Actually, I don't read any book on this one. I believe is thing, do and learn, do and learn, do and learn. I told you that I very inspired with the James Watt because he make a steam engine without reading anything. So what he experience he write. Now this video is 003. Dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Samresh Kumar Nishad, and I am a writer, trainer, life coach and motivational speaker. So I'll proceed for this video. As you are seeing on the whiteboard, so unretired, retired and success people. Okay, first we talk about the unretired people. What the unretired people do? Unretired people, they do the job what they have to do. Unretired people, they do the job what they have to do. What is the meaning of this? Means, like example, I after graduation I start working. In a through 4 years I work very hard because I'm learning a lot of practical things, this one. But after 10 years I learn so many things, this one. After this I don't have much interest to do. But I have to run my family. I have to run my family. So no choice. I have to do because I'm getting the salary. So that is my bread and butter. So I am doing the job because of the salary. I am not doing the job because I love the job. Means I'm not saying I am not liking the job. But it's okay now. Just go there. I work, get salary, and come back. So what I do the job what I have to do, but I am not doing the job what I like to do. That job was liking until I was learning. When I become like a used to this one, that is not my. So still I'm continuing. So the job, unretired people, they do the job what they have to do. Now we see the second stream. What is there? Is the retired people. Now there are two categories now showing: unretired and retired people. I told you that retired people don't think that they are not doing the job. I found so many people after the retirement, they are very busy. They are very busy. They are very busy. And this is not I see, and many people they say me also, retired people, that they are very busy because after like 60 they retired, but still the body is strong. So what they have to do? They start looking, hey, what I can do for society. Now I have worked very long. So I get the salary. Now I want to do something which is not salary paid job. I do the free service. So these type of people, what they do, they join the NGO. Achha, NGO when they work out, the efficiency is very high. You know why? Because that is the job they are enjoying. They are loving the job. They are loving the job and they are enjoying the job. So if they are enjoying and they are doing the job, how you can say retired people, they don't work. I saw many retired people in the NGO, they work for even 16, 17 hours because they have the feeling I get something from the society. Now I have to return. I was doing for the society, but there I paid. Now I am doing for the society where I am paid. So they are busy people. Now you see for the what is there in the next slide. On the whiteboard, it is giving the category the success people. Okay, unretired, retired, and success people. Success people are the people what they do, what their heart have fire of desire for achieving their desire, they work. And that job, what their heart is saying, they are doing, that is called, and that one they take as a profession. So this, you saw my video, the Success 001, 6S, I mentioned. 6S I mentioned. You do the job, what you love it, and you will not tired for the job, and you will enjoy the job. You must see the 001 because that's why the sequence is the 001, 002, 003. 001 I say 6S, how you get your desire, heart desire, and how you make a plan and do it. And after this is second, this is the third. So third category there. These are the people, the success people. Basically, these are the people is called the business class of people. These are people, they cannot work for the others. They cannot work for the others. That is the problem. They cannot work for the others. Because if you want to do what your heart is saying you are doing, where you're doing the job, you cannot get it. Because you are under the control of your boss. And these are the people called the business class people. They create the job for the people, unretired people. Unretired people, they create the job. So you are doing the job. Where you do the job? Some company or some office. Some company or office belong to somebody, and who come with some idea what his heart is saying. He come with the plan, and he create the job. So success type of people, they are creating the job. They are the job creator. They are the job. If you want to do the job, you have to do the job creator. So unretired people, they do the job what they have to do. And retired people, also very busy people, they do the job what they like to do. And the success people, they do the job what their heart is saying, and they make that one in the profession. That's why the success people, their working hours is very long. So these are the three people in this world. Now we see. So actually I complete this video. Now we see what is my next video. Okay, my next video I'm releasing, I think 1 or 2 days time. That is the Success 004. This video actually I'm covering the working style of success people. Because I do business for 8 years, I meet many business class of people. So when I talk to the business class people, they talk very differently. When I talk to some of my vendor, I go to the office and go there. When they talk to there, they talk very different. So why these people, success people, are different to unretired people or retired people? They are job creator. And this series is for the success. So this is, I am more focused on the success people start working. I'm not talking about more on the unretired people or retired people. Okay, you wait for my next video.